Hey everyone, this is Frugal Panda here with a quick review of the GOODAAA Power Bank. This is a 45,800 mAh power bank. This has a built-in hand crank to keep the lights that are built in going if you were to run out of power. It has 4 built-in cables, 15-watt fast charging. If I didn't say already, wireless charger, 7 outputs, 4 inputs. It has solar power, SOS strobe, and a strong flashlight. It's a mouthful, but I want to say out of all the power banks I've had, and if you've seen any of my reviews, I've reviewed tons of power banks. This one's a pretty darn good one. I'm really liking this one and how it's built. I'm doing a quick unboxing right here. It comes with the usual stuff. The instructions. It comes with a little carabiner that hooks onto it. You'll see a picture of it. It comes with the it comes with the charging cable that you can use on this as well. But I do like that the cables are built in, but it also has where you can put external, you can charge with external power cables as well, your stuff, just in case you were to have a failure or something. I do like that. It was actually pretty cool. It is a chunk. When you get it, it's a chunk. You can see the wireless charger on the back of this. You can see the solar panel on the front. You can see the 2 lights on it. You can see the compass. You can see the inputs. And you see me have to use other stuff to open things because I don't have fingernails. Unfortunately, I never broke the habit of biting my fingernails. So there you go. It's not that it's difficult to open things. I don't have any fingernails. The different ports, input ports it has right there. I think that's really cool. If I didn't say already, it has been fully tested. I tested the wireless charger. I don't usually use wireless chargers, and it has nothing to do with how they function or anything. It's just the type of case I have on my phone interferes with wireless chargers. No fault of the companies. It's just the type of case I got. Anyway, you can see the different cables that it comes with, which I think are really cool. Also, it was fully tested, if I didn't say. So I took it, I unboxed it at home, but I ended up taking it on a 2-day camping trip down to Lake Pueblo, Colorado, where it fully got tested in around 30-degree weather. It dropped into the 30s at night. I utilized it outside while I was sitting out making fires and stuff. It sat on a table, literally plugged into my 10-inch tablet that I have, and kept it powered and everything. And at 30 degrees, it does impact batteries. It impacts everything. And so this worked really well. And if you're curious about the warranty, according to Amazon, and on the Amazon, GOODAAA is certified safe and provided with a lifetime warranty on this, and pre-sale and after-sale services. These work really well with iPhone 16, 15, 14, 13, 12s. I'm testing it with a 12, and the Samsung Galaxy's 24s and 23s and S22s and all that good stuff. I did really enjoy taking this. You can see I'm going to charge my Ring with it. A disclaimer, so on the solar panels, people don't understand about these solar panels. These aren't really built to fully charge your power banks when they're built in. These are more like a trickle charger. They're going to be a slow charger type of thing. These are what you use in an emergency, in a bind, stuff like that. Like the hand crank. That hand crank, I've been looking for a power bank that actually had a built-in hand crank. And you say, why? Well, if I ran out of power using it, or I wanted to use it to do the flashlight or to do the lights, those come in handy. And I haven't seen any in a while. But the solar panels more so if you're in a bind and everything. They're not going to fully charge your power bank in a day or two. It doesn't work that way. This is it right here where I had it plugged in Lake Pueblo. It was around 30 degrees, and I used it for 3 or 4 hours out there. It worked great. It works awesome. It's going to be my go-to when I throw in my backpack for stuff, definitely from now on. Anyway, go check this out. I'll leave links in the description. I really like this, the GOODAAA Power Bank 45,800 mAhs. Available on Amazon. Links in the description. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Bye.